Question number 1. The Government A marketplace, known as GEM, has transformed public procurement by enabling digital access to goods and services for government bodies. Recently, GEMI, an AI-powered chatbot, was launched to support this ecosystem. What is a key feature of GEMI that supports inclusive service delivery? A. It works only in English and Hindi. B. It supports only voice interactions. C. It provides multilingual support in 10 Indian languages. D. It is used only by private sector companies. Check mark correct option, C. Answer. It provides multilingual support in 10 Indian languages. Question number 2. The Ministry of Education introduced a scheme targeting adult illiteracy among those aged 15 and above. Under this initiative, Mizoram became India's first fully literate state. What is the name of the centrally sponsored scheme? A. Udaan. B. Ullas, New India Literacy Program. C. Shiksha Deep. D. PADHO India. Check mark correct option, B. Answer. Ullas, New India Literacy Program. Question number 3. To support the electric vehicle ecosystem, the Indian government launched the PMA Drive initiative. It focuses on EV adoption, manufacturing, and infrastructure. Which ministry is the nodal agency for this program? A. Ministry of Power. B. Ministry of Environment. C. Ministry of Heavy Industries. D. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Check mark correct option, C. Answer. Ministry of Heavy Industries. Question number 4. The New Development Bank, NDB, established by BRICS nations, recently included Algeria as its 9th member. Despite expansion, BRICS retains majority voting power. What percentage of the total voting power is collectively held by BRICS nations? A. At least 25%. B. At least 40%. C. At least 55%. D. Exactly 50%. Check mark correct option, C. Answer. At least 55%. Question number 5. India's FDI inflows have hit record highs in FY 2024-25, with certain states attracting the largest shares. One particular state received 39% of the equity inflows. Which state was it? A. Karnataka. B. Delhi. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Maharashtra. Check mark correct option, D. Answer. Maharashtra. Question number 6. To ensure stronger oversight of India's digital payment systems, the RBI established the Payments Regulatory Board (PRB), replacing BPSS. Who serves as the ex officio chairperson of PRB? A. Union Finance Minister. B. RBI Governor. C. SEBI Chairman. D. Deputy Governor of RBI. Check mark correct option, B. Answer. RBI Governor. Question number 7. India's economy reached a value of $4.187 trillion, surpassing Japan's GDP and climbing global rankings. What is India's new position among the world's largest economies? A. Third. B. Fourth. C. Fifth. D. Sixth. Check mark correct option, B. Answer. Fourth. Question number 8. The 2025 Breakthrough Prize in Fundamental Physics was awarded to 4 Large Hadron Collider collaborations at CERN. What is the cash reward associated with each breakthrough prize? A. $500,000. B. $1 million. C. $2.5 million. D. $3 million. Check mark correct option, D. Answer. $3 million. Question number 9. SBI Life Insurance and Vidyaniti LLP invested in the National Highways Infra Trust, NHIT. This trust is part of India's infrastructure monetization strategy. What was the combined investment value for their 4.25% stake? A. 900 crore rupees. B. 1100 crore rupees. C. 1500 crore rupees. D. 2000 crore rupees. Check mark correct option, B. Answer. 1100 crore rupees. Question number 10. The Modified Interest Subvention Scheme, MIS, offers affordable short-term loans to farmers through Kisan credit cards. Farmers repaying on time get further interest benefits. What is the effective interest rate for these prompt repaying farmers? A. 7%. B. 5%. C. 4%. D. 6%. Check mark correct option, C. Answer. 4%.